Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you like, comment, and or subscribe to my channel. If not, please join and ring that bell, ding, 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 to get notifications when I do lives, when I do videos, all kinds of stuff I do. So we're going to do an unboxing today, and it is the Boxycharm Premium. It is heavy as hail. It is a $35 a month box. It's super heavy. I can't wait to see what's in here. And I've got my little cat calculator to add what it's worth to see what the value is. Got my magical scissors. There's a kitten, little Ruby's running around playing and making noises. So if you hear that, it's Ruby having a good time. As you know, I don't control my cats because I don't have that superpower. Oh, here is the card. This is the box. This is what it looks like here. Ooh, it's got a bunch of stuff in it. All right, I have to make room on my table. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things in here. And it says, sunshine. We love sunshine. Let's see what's in here. I'm really excited. Ooh. Got some fancy things in here. No way. No way. I got the Kush mascara. I just bought the Kush mascara. Is this really it? No, it's not. It's White Widow. It's Kush milk something. It's a lash primer, which is awesome because I have the Kush mascara already. This is the lash primer. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I've been using a sample of the Kush and I loved it so much. And now I got the primer that goes with it. I am thrilled. Thrilled. Let me open this carefully. These knives. Yeah, scissors are 2 knives that are put together with a pivot. That's what they are. So when I say knives, it's not exactly wrong. But these scissors are sharp. And it's got a little booklet that comes with it. And it is Kush Lash Primer. I love lash primers. And it's white, because most lash primers are white. And let's read about this. It makes me so happy. I really am happy. Milk Makeup Kush Lash Primer. A lash primer with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil for a volumizing base. $24. That's almost worth it. I mean, that's the majority of the box. It's $11 left to make up for the value. This is freaking amazing. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to put it with the mascara over here. Yes. Yes, super thrilled. There's some other stuff in here. Like I care. There's other stuff in here. Oh, we've got this. It is Nelson Beverly Hills Moisture Healing Mask. And it is for hair. Argan oil formula. And this is the Byro. Oh, it's Nelson. No, that's something else. Nelson J. Beverly Hills Argan Oil 7 Moisture Healing Mask. 100% argan oil derived moisturizing hair treatment for color treated, which I have, dry or damaged hair. Yes, damaged hair. Detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine, which I don't do, and enhances Nair's natural body. $24. Cool. Not bad. Not heard of it, but not bad. Next I have from Byro, Bitter Green Essence Toner. Let's have a look at it. I've got a toner I'm using right now, but that doesn't mean I won't need a toner in the future. Ooh, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's kind of a gel. Let's read about this. Byro Bitter Essence Toner. This bitter green essence toner is packed with 33 different green vegetable extracts, wow, including artichokes, broccoli, and basil that will hydrate and purify skin, helping to smooth unwanted texture. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish the skin while protecting it from premature aging. And it is $95. What? That's a lot. That's a lot. I wonder what it smells like. It's got a little seal on it. I'm breaking the seal because I want to smell it. Come on, $95. It smells kind of minty. And it's like a little runny gel. Oh, it feels nice. You can see a little slick. It feels very moisturizing. That's a lipstick that I was testing earlier for my other Boxycharm. It smells really refreshing. I'm excited about this. Thanks, Byro. Sometimes you get stuff and it's like, what? What is this? But this is nice. I can't believe I got that Kush. I already have the Kush. It's amazing. My mind is blown. How did you know Boxycharm Premium? Next we have something that I probably won't use very much, so it's probably going to go in a giveaway. It's the Hollywood Icon Brow Bar. It's the Hollywood Icon collection. How do you open this motherfucker? Sorry if there's kids, but it says 18 and over for my channel. It's very fancy packaging. Ooh, this is Brow Bar. Oh no, I chose this. I was like, I'm probably not gonna use it. No, but it's got like lots of stuff in it. It's got like eyeshadows and a blush, and I'm not sure what the white thing is. There's not a little pamphlet, but I chose this. And like some highlighter, and like, it looks kind of cool. I forgot, I chose this. Duh, Rhonda. So that's cool. And it's called Drama Queen. And what does it say? Brow Bar by Rima. Hollywood Icon Face Kit. Bombshells. Get ready for your close-up. That's me, I'm a bombshell. Close-up with this Brow Bar by Redeema's Hollywood Icon Face Kit and Drama Queen. Each palette comes with a bronzer translucent powder. That must be the white thing. 2 shades of blush. 2 shades of highlighter. 4 shades of eyeshadow and a brush. A complete look. Ready to go in all one beautiful gold compact. $45. That's not bad. I'm excited about it. Pretty good. I will put it over here. I'm going to do a video doing my face with it. See if I can pull off a full face with it. So that's cool. I have a bunch of stuff I have to do. I have a bunch of stuff to show you soon. So that's awesome. Did I add that in? I think I did. Let me start over. I'll just do it all at once at the end. And the next thing I have here is Cuccio Cuticle Oil, which is really super nice. And it says Cuccio Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil, a unique hydrating complex of rich lightweight oils and extra antioxidants benefit from vitamin E that absorbs completely to nourish the cuticles and skin. Milk soothes and softens the skin, while honey and a natural humectant to keep the skin moisturized. $18. That's cool. I don't know if I'll use it, but I know that I can find a home for it pretty easily. That looks really beautiful. That's gorgeous. And that's a lot of cuticle oil. That'll last somebody forever. I mean, you only have so much cuticles. And the last thing in here, I'm not excited to get because I had it before, but I'm going to give it another try because sometimes I try a palette and I don't love it, and then I try it again, I like it better. So this is the Morphe by Manny MUA Glam Palette, and this is $20. And it says, are you ready to go glam with Manny MUA? This mirrored palette pairs up 12 wearable, anything but basic eyeshadows in a matte and shimmer finish with 2 stunning highlighters. Yes, you've got every reason to be shook. We'll see about that, because I wasn't shook the last time. I'll just get rid of that plastic. But it's very pretty colors. It is really pretty colors, and the highlights are nice. Let's do the highlight. That's a really beautiful highlight. Let's try the other one. It's a little darker. Listen to those cute kitten noises. Ruby, what's up? I'm gonna put you on camera. Here she is making all the noise. She's purring like crazy. It's Ruby. Hi, baby girl. Mwah. I love you. I love you so much. I love you so much, little Ruby. She says, Mom, put me down. Look how fluffy she is. She's a fluffy little baby. But I just love showing her off because she's so damn cute. I'm going to swatch so the highlighters look nice. Maybe it's better than I remember. Maybe I got a bad one. Let's see. I'm going to do the shimmer, which is kind of sticky. But it looks good. It's like a bronzy color. I'm going to do this purple, which is called Cancer, which is my sign. Actually, it's swatching better than I remember. Then I'm going to try Gamenta, this wine color. This is acting better than I remember, completely better. So, but maybe swatches lie. Sometimes they lie. And I'll put this last color there. Okay, Manny, I'm going to give you another go. And you can also look up my old video where I did not like the Manny palette at all, but those swatches are great. And you will see that in a future video. What's up, Ruby? Are you sad because you're not on camera anymore, you little thing? You sweet little creature. Okay, I'm going to give it another go. I didn't love it before, but maybe I'll love it this time. Let me take this out of here. I'll never get it back in there. And it is just marbled. Putting it down here with all my palettes to try. I have so much coming up. You're just gonna love it. And then it's empty. And I reuse this in my color switcher tin. I just chop it into circles to fit in there. And this is great for switching the color on your brushes. And so I just keep saving the foam because I will use it all eventually. So let's add up the total for this amazing heavy box. All right, the Morphe palette was $20. The Bitter Essence toner was $95. The Makeup Kush Lash Primer, $24. Couldn't have been happier. The Healing Mask for your hair is $24. The Brow Bar Face Kit Palette is $45. And then the Cuticle Oil is $18. So the value is $226 for a $35 box, which is a great return. And I'm super thrilled to have all of this stuff. Thanks, Boxy. Your base box was good. This box was good. I'm totally excited about everything. I hope you guys have a great day and the day of your choice. I hope you have the love of a kitten or a creature in your life. And if not, then I hope you have awesome people around you. Why am I saying that? I don't know. I just feel like it. Have a great day.